The Bangladeshi community is one of the fastest growing immigrant groups in the USA. For a secure life and better living, many migrate to the USA. However, initially, the Bangladeshis face challenges in attaining economic stability. Many of these immigrants are aspiring entrepreneurs who struggle to establish their brand in the community. To bridge this gap, the US-Bangladesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry has been established. It was founded by Litan Ahmed in 2018. Alongside, our team of skilled and experienced board of directors makes key decisions on all issues and concerns. US-Bangladesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry is designed to enhance the development of Bangladeshi and American businesses in the USA. We work in close collaboration with the U.S. Embassy in Bangladesh and Bangladesh Embassy in the USA to achieve mutually beneficial trading opportunities for entrepreneurs in both countries. USBCCI facilitates trade and commerce for both local and foreign entrepreneurs. The organization caters to the demand requirements of both the countries and works closely with the government, the private sector in business, and other non-profit organizations and charitable institutions. Moreover, the organization connects its members to the global network that facilitates business contacts. Our extensive vision area of this organization is concerned with building ties between Bangladesh and American businesses to create an entrepreneurial environment for companies to grow, individuals to succeed and the community to prosper. As leadership is an indispensable factor to plan, execute, and organize a venture, USBCCI implements advocacy, business development, cultural awareness, networking events and direct services to its members. Moreover, as the company copes with the fast-growing competition in the digital realm, the U.S. Bangladesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry introduces a new and innovative approach to marketing your business. We incorporate out-of-the-box strategies at minimal cost. On top of that, we intend to bridge the gap between the Bangladeshi and American communities to enable them a healthy business environment and support. Our innovative approach to marketing streamlines your advertising costs and allows you to market your business to a new target audience. Our diverse functions range from providing business advisory services to coordinating with appropriate authorities in Bangladesh and the USA and organizing business forums, seminars, etc. in cooperation with US Chamber and other organizations to share views on impediments related to business. Apart from that, we provide information and assistance to Bangladesh and American firms seeking to initiate or expand their business. Membership programs are crucial in our process as we provide benefits of networking, learning, community engagement, business visibility, and growth. Our priority lies with our members. In response to our member needs, we delegate visits to different countries focusing on sectors ranging from finance to manufacturing and infrastructure. On top of that, the US Bangladesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry has become the go-to source for information, support, cultural events, festivals, business referrals, networking, socializing, and much more. We are the trusted voice of the Bangladeshi community. USBCCI. Bridge to communal prosperity.